So I come over to my buddy Ron's house, right?
Yeah.
And he's getting ready to move his, what is it, 1973?
Yep.
1973 Corvette out of his garage to go get some wiring done over at a buddy's. So he's sitting here and he's chiseling ice out of his driveway. And we'll take a walk over here and show you this, and then we'll show you the trucks. Right where Ron's standing, more or less a straight line right through here, was all ice. This was all ice. As you can see, it kind of runs in off the road, and then it kind of ice dams all here. And put your foot up against that. Like, we'll just
underneath the snow off the road.
But look, like that's well above his foot. And it just goes all the way around. So I don't know, what did we do? Like 2 hours?
Something like that.
2 hours of chiseling, and we loaded 2 half-ton trucks.
That sign there was actually over here buried in the ice this morning at 10 o'clock. You can see where the board was.
Yeah.
And I chiseled all the way across from here across. And then when it came out here, it came out around like this. And it was about to here when I started at 10 this morning trying to break up the ice.
And then this is what we got done. That's a lot of ice.
Yes. We're watching Tom Cruise.
So we're just going to give you a glimpse of the 2 trucks. So this is the pile that he did this morning. And then, well, I guess I contribute like 2 scoops to that, but I didn't contribute too much to that. But yeah, when I pulled the truck up beside his, I went to go and just kind of stop, and I don't think I could have lined the 2 trucks up any better than what it is right there. This was just all fluke. I just had to point that out because it doesn't happen every day. But yeah, all right, so we're going to show you the truck. As you can see, my truck's squatting because of the 2 mounds of ice that we pulled from his driveway. Like, those are huge chunks. Like,
Just to give you an idea. And that's not as thick as it is over on the shoulder of the driveway. That's just off in front of the garage.
so you want to live in Canada, be prepared.
Fucking awesome.
So we're going to offload these. And I think we're just going to throw them right there in the snowbank. All that ice right there came from the driveway just over there. That is crazy. That's a lot of ice. And now where am I supposed to park? Come over. Can't park in the snow bank no more.
You can. I'm giving you a little bit harder foundation to drive up on.
I'm alright. Yeah. I just seen the shovel.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I'm so sorry.
And he's over to help Buddy remove ice from driveway. Hit Buddy head with shovel.
That's great.
Your final bill,
Huh?
$4,000.
Thank you, Jason.
That's a lot of ice.
That is lots of ice. And I can't thank you enough, because man, what a crappy job.
If you guys haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Random thing or whatever. We'll see you guys all next time.